Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss about user interface and unit setup in Sketchup. So this is the welcome screen. When you will open Sketchup 2021, you will see this welcome screen, and in the last video tutorial I discussed about how you can choose this kind of templates. These are templates or viewports, and if you want to work in architectural inches, you can select this. If you want to work in simple inches, you will select this is default uh, template. So you are required to click this heart shape, and after that you can open this. If you want to work in simple meters, you will select this architectural millimeters. You can select this one. So I am going to suppose I am going to select this architectural inches, and I am going to open default template here, and now I am going to draw a line here, and you can see your value on the right bottom here, and I'm going to select this line. You can see this is the length, and it is asking click to set your first point, arrow keys. So I'm going to click first point, and now I'm dragging. So you can see this value is changing here, and suppose if I'm going to enter 15 only, and I'm going to enter, so it will show inches value. It will not put any fit mark here. And again, if I am going to this red line here, and I am going to enter 15 feet here, you can see feet symbol, and I'm going to enter. You can see this is in feet. So by choosing this template, you can work in feet and inches, and you can change your unit. If you want to work now in metric from this template, how you will do, I will tell you. You are required to go to this window, and if you want to change your units, you can go to model info, and you can see this is the model info, and you are required to go here units, and this is the measurement units, and its format is in architectural like in AutoCAD, and length is in inches, area is also inches square, and volume in inches cube. So you can change your unit system from here. You can choose set your precision here. It is set to 1 by 16 inches. You can go choose also 1 by half inches, 1 by 4 inches. So I'm going to change to mm or metric profile. So I'm going to change this from architectural to decimal, and now you can change your length here, and I'm going to make it millimeters, and area is also in millimeter square, volume also in millimeter cube, and precision you can change it from here. So I don't want this much of a digit of 0 after decimal, so I'm going to select this 0 mm, because this is in mm, so you can give accurate value. And after that you can close this, and now I am going to select this line, and you will see this mm value here. I'm going to click here, and you can see this value are in mm. So in any units you are working, you can change to whatever units you want to work later on also. So this is not difficult in SketchUp. So how this is the tutorial how you can change your units in SketchUp. In the next video tutorial I will come with some more commands. So this tutorial is for beginners, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.